All right, this is Fred Bravo with Alpha Bravo Tech. Today I'm going to mess with this kilowatt. Normally I wouldn't mess with a kilowatt, it being such a cheap device. It's pretty much more cost effective for somebody to just buy a new one. That being said, this is my personal kilowatt, and I had it hooked up to a portable air conditioning unit. And well, I was probably keeping it a little bit too cold with the summer being a little bit too hot, and this thing couldn't really handle the air conditioner's load, I guess. So this thing stopped working on me. I finally decided to open it up and check it out. What it's doing right now is absolutely nothing. I plug it into power and we get nothing on the screen, if you can see that. And that being said, I should be getting power. I'm going to change the multimeter. I'll put the multimeter in the screen. Got a lot of light. Let's see if we can. This is going to probably be an easy repair. I've already opened it up a little bit and just did a quick test. Okay, so I have it set on AC volts. There we go. I'm pushing to the side now. I'm getting 119.8 volts. So this plug does have juice. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like on the inside. And opening it up right away, we see a fuse here, which is labeled as fuse 1. You can't see it there with the camera, but it is labeled as fuse 1. Switch the multimeter to continuity mode, and we'll check this thermal fuse. This is the first thing I checked a second ago, and sure enough, we're not getting any continuity in that fuse. There was another fuse over here that I saw. And we'll give that a quick check. I'll check at the bottom and then the top. And that one does have continuity. Oh, you can't see that. We'll check this fuse here. This fuse does have continuity, so this fuse is good. That's fuse number 2, and this is fuse number 1. This is a thermal fuse, so when this fuse reaches a certain temperature, it fails. This one was 99 degrees Celsius. It says so on the bottom. So with this fuse being failed, I would like to just get a new one, see how that works, see if that works. So I'll go ahead and order one of those and get this thing hopefully back up and running. But the thing is, hey, let's test it now. Let's bypass this fuse and let's see what happens. So bypassing this fuse, I'm gonna just try and do a jumper type of deal. I'm not gonna go crazy and get a really nice let me find something. I'm not gonna get something that's gonna handle 15 amps. That fuse handles 15 amps, but I'm not really gonna put a load on this thing. I'm just gonna see if we can jump it and make it work. So I'm just going to try and connect a couple of leads here. I think I've got an idea here with my multimeter leads, and hopefully I don't start a fire. And if I do, at least I'm not inside of my house. Oh, let's see here. This one we'll push in the back, and we'll call that connected, and these two we will connect to the fuse. This will complete the circuit. And what we'll do is we'll try and face this where we can see it. Hopefully keep it connected. And we'll plug into it. And hopefully we don't get shocked or zapped or anything like that. So, just kidding. Alright. Alright. That's probably plugged in enough. And hey, look at that. Let's see, can you see that? You can't. Let me. There we go. Now it's working. So it's showing 118.9 volts. That little test right there, what we just did, you know, we bypassed that one fuse to say, hey, we saw that this fuse is bad. Hey, let's see if we replace this fuse, is it going to fix the problem? We made a little jumper out of my leads for my DC power supply, and just stuck that plug in there. Saw that it worked, and now we know the fuse that I'm going to order is going to work. So that is a quick fix, easy job, quick way to troubleshoot something and say, hey, this is what's going on, this is what's going to make it work, blah blah blah. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will be coming with more complicated videos hopefully here in the near future.